dear students, welcome back to Science Solutions with Karishma. In this video, I am going to solve the remaining questions of exercise 1C from the book Concise Mathematics of Selena, Icse class 9. So in this video, I am going to solve from question number 8 till question number 15. That is the last question of this exercise. So without further ado, let's get started. So question number 8 of exercise 1C is, if x equals to 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2, find 1 by x, x plus 1 by x, and x plus 1 by x whole square. So let's solve question number 1, that is 1 by x. So here we have to put the value of x which is given in the question, that is x equals to 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2. So putting this value here, 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2. Now we have to rationalize it. So we'll take the opposite sign to rationalize. So it will be 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2. And in the denominator also same, 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2. Now we have to multiply by this rationalizing factor in the numerator and denominator too. So 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2 into 1 will be 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2. And here we have a plus b into a minus b. So it will be a square minus b square. So now we're going to solve it. In the numerator, we'll have 2 common. So we'll take out 2, and inside the bracket it will be root 3 minus root 2. And in the denominator we'll have 2 squared, that is 4, and square will cancel the root, we'll have 3. 4 into 3 minus 2 square is 4 again, and 2 will cancel the root, it will be 2. Now we'll have, in the denominator 4 is common, so we'll take out 4. We'll take out 4 as common, and inside the bracket it will be 3 minus 2. Now we can cancel out 2 and 4 by dividing it by 2. That is, let me write it, 3 minus 2 is 1, so no need to write. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now we'll have root 3 minus root 2 by 2. So this is the value of 1 by x. So here we found the answer for question number 1, that is the value of 1 by x is root 3 minus root 2 by 2. Now we have to find the value of x plus 1 by x. So since the value of 1 by x we have already found in question number 1, so we'll use this value in both the questions. So the value of x is given, and 1 by x we have just found it, that is root 3 minus root 2 by 2. So putting this value, we'll solve question number 2, x plus 1 by x. So put the value of x, that is 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2, plus the value of 1 by x is root 3 minus root 2 by 2. Now we're going to solve it. We have to do the LCM of 2 and 1, that is 2. So we'll get here 1 2 2 into 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2 plus, here is 2, so it will be 1. 2 1s are 2, so it will be root 3 minus root 2. Now we're getting, we have to multiply it by 2. So 2 2s are 4 root 3 plus 2 2s are 4 root 2. 4 root 2 plus root 3 minus root 2. Now we have to subtract and add the same roots in the numerator. So root 3 is here, root 3 is here. Both the signs are plus. That means 4 plus 1, that is 5 root 3. And 4 root 2 and minus root 2, that is 4 minus 1, that is 3 root 2. Sign will be plus because 4 is bigger than 1. So that is the answer for x plus 1 by x. So using this value again, we'll solve the question number 3. That is x plus 1 by x whole square. So let's solve question number 3. We've already got the value for this, that is 5 root 3 plus 3 root 2 by 2. So we have to square it. So question number 3 is x plus 1 by x whole square, putting its value, that is 5 root 3 plus 3 root 2, 5 root 3 plus 3 root 2 by 2, put the whole square. So in the numerator we have a plus b whole square, and in the denominator 2 square. So a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2 into a 5 root 3 and b 3 root 2. And in the denominator 2 square is 4. In the numerator 5 square is 25. 5 5's 25, and square will cancel the root into 3. Plus 3 square is 9. Square will cancel the root, will have into 2. Now we have to multiply the numbers, that is 2 5's are 10, 10 3's are 30, and root 3 into root 2, 3 2's are 6, that is root 6 upon 4. Next, 25 into 3 is 75 plus 9 2's are 18 plus 30 root 6 by 4. Now we have to add 75 plus 18. So 75 plus 18 will have 93 plus 30 root 6 upon 4. So this is the answer of x plus 1 by x whole square. So next question is question number 9. If x equals to 1 by root 2, find the value of x minus 1 by x. So the value of x is given, we have to find 1 by x. So 1 by x is, the value of x is 1 minus root 2. Now we have to rationalize it by taking the opposite sign, that is plus. So it will be 1 plus root 2 and 1 plus root 2 in both numerator and denominator. Now multiply 1 plus root 2 into 1, that is 1 plus root 2, and in the denominator we have a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. We are getting 1 plus root 2 by 1 square is 1 minus square will cancel the root minus 2. Now we'll get in the numerator 1 plus root 2, and 1 minus 2 is minus 1 because 2 is bigger than 1. Negative sign will go up and it will be minus into 1 plus root 2. So this is the value of 1 by x. So using this value we'll solve x minus 1 by x whole cube. We have to find the value of x minus 1 by x whole cube. So let's solve it. We have already got the value of x, that is 1 minus root 2. Now put the value of 1 by x that we have found, that is minus 1 plus root 2. So since there are two minus, we'll take another bracket, that is minus 1 plus root 2. Now we'll solve it. 1 minus root 2. Now negative sign, that is minus, will change the sign, that is minus into minus plus, plus into plus, plus 1. Again minus into minus is plus, plus into plus is plus root 2. Now we have to open the bracket. 1 minus root 2 plus 1 plus root 2. So there is the opposite sign of both root 2. So minus root 2 plus root 2 will cancel out and we'll have 1 plus 1, that is 2. So we have found the value of x minus 1 by x. Now we have to find the value of x minus 1 by x whole cube, that is 2 cube. So 2 cube is 8. So finally we got the value, that is 8. Next question, we have question number 10. If x equals to 5 minus 2 root 6, find x square plus 1 by x square. So from this x, first we'll find the value of 1 by x and then we'll find x square. So 1 by x we have 1 by 5 minus 2 root 6. Now we'll rationalize it by taking the opposite sign, that is plus. So we'll have 5 plus 2 root 6. Again 5 plus 2 root 6 in the denominator. Now multiply it. 5 plus 2 root 6 into 1 in the numerator is 5 plus 2 root 6. And in the denominator we have a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. So in the numerator we have 5 plus 2 root 6 and in the denominator 5 square is 25 minus 2 square is 4 into square will cancel the root, we'll have 6. Now we get in the numerator 5 plus 2 root 6 and in the denominator 25 minus 4 6 are 24, that is 1. So we are getting 5 plus 2 root 6. So we found the value of 1 by x here, that is 5 plus 2 root 6. Now we are going to find the value for 1 by x square, or we can write it as 1 by x whole square. So we've already found the value of 1 by x, that is 5 plus 2 root 6. Now we have to find its whole square. So here we are getting the formula a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. A is 5 plus b is 2 root 6 plus 2 into a, that is 5, into b, that is 2 root 6. Solving it, we get 5 square is 25 plus 2 square is 4 into 6 plus 2 5s are 10, 10 2s are 20 into root 6, 20 root 6. Now we get 25 plus 4 into 6, 24 plus 20 root 6. Now adding 25 plus 24 we get 49 plus 20 root 6. So this is the value of 1 by x square. So using this value we'll solve x square plus 1 by x square. Let me write its value that we have found recently, that is 49 plus 20 root 6. Since we have got the value of 1 by x square, now we have to find x square. So x square is 5 minus 2 root 6 whole square. Again we are getting the formula a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a square is 5 square, b square is 2 root 6 square, and minus 2 into 5 into 2 root 6. 5 square is 25, 2 square is 4, and 6. Minus 2 5s are 10, 10 2s are 20, root 6. Again we are getting the same value, only the sign is different. 25 plus 24 minus 20 root 6. 25 plus 24, again we are getting 49 minus 20 root 6. So the value of x square is 49 minus 20 root 6. Now using these values again, we'll finally solve x square plus 1 by x square. So let's solve x square plus 1 by x square. Put the value of x square here, that is 49 minus 20 root 6, and the value of 1 by x square is plus 49 plus 20 root 6. Now we're getting 20 root 6 with the opposite sign, that they will be cancelled out, and 49 plus 49, we have 98. So this is the answer. Let's go to question number 11. So that means we have to find left hand side value equals to 5. That means we have to prove left hand side equals to right hand side. Solving the left hand side, we have to get 5. So for that we'll write left hand side. In the left hand side we have 1 by 3 minus 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2 minus root 7 plus 1 by root 7 minus root 6 minus 1 by root 6 minus root 5 and plus 1 by root 5 minus 2. Now solving this, we have to find the value 5. Now see, in the denominator there are numbers inside the root, but only 2 root 2 is having the number 2 outside the root. That means 2 has a pair, so it's outside the root. That is 2 into 2. We have to put this 2 inside the root. So we'll have 8. Now we'll write 3 minus 2 into 2 into 2 is root 8 minus 1 by, again we'll have root 8 minus root 7 plus 1 by root 7 minus root 6 minus 1 by root 6 minus root 5 plus 1 by root 5 minus 2. Now again, since we have root in the denominator, we have to rationalize all the numbers. So for rationalizing, we'll take the opposite sign, that is plus. So we'll write 1 by 3 minus root 8 into, rationalizing factor will be in positive sign, that is 3 plus root 8 upon 3 plus root 8. In the same way, we'll rationalize all the numbers taking their opposite sign. 1 by root 8 minus root 7 will have rationalizing factor root 8 plus root 7 in the numerator, and in the denominator root 8 plus root 7 plus 1 by root 7 minus root 6. Rationalizing factor will be root 7 plus root 6 upon root 7 plus root 6 minus 1 by root 6 minus root 5. Rationalizing factor will be plus, that is root 6 plus root 5 upon root 6 plus root 5. Now the last number is plus 1 by root 5 minus 2. Rationalizing factor will be into root 5 plus 2 by root 5 plus 2. So in this way we'll rationalize all the number and solve it. Here 3 plus root 8 into 1 will be 3 plus root 8, and in the denominator we have a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. A is 3, 3 square minus root 8 whole square minus root 8 plus root 7 into 1 will be root 8 plus root 7, and in the denominator again we have a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square, plus root 7 plus root 6 into 1, that is root 7 plus root 6, and again a square, that is root 7 square minus b square root 6 square, minus root 6 plus root 5 into 1, that is root 6 plus root 5 in the numerator, and in the denominator again we have a square minus b square. Now the last number we have plus root 5 plus 2 in the numerator and a square, that is root 5 square minus b square, that is 2 square. Let's go to the next step. In the next step we have in the numerator 3 plus root 8, and in the denominator we have 3 square, that is 9, minus square of root 8, that is square will cancel the root and we'll have 8, minus root 8 plus root 7, and in the denominator square will cancel the root and we'll have 8 minus 7. Square will cancel the root, we'll have only the numbers. Here we have root 7 plus root 6, and in the denominator again square will cancel the root, we'll have 7 minus 6, minus root 6 plus root 5. In the denominator we have 6 minus 5 plus root 5 plus 2, and in the denominator we have root 5 square, that is 5, minus 2 square, that is 4. The next step, as you can see in the denominator we have 1, that is 9 minus 8 1, 8 minus 7 1, all are 1, so no need to write the denominator, only we'll write the numerators. Here we have 3 plus root 8, 3 plus root 8, minus will change the sign, that is minus into plus, minus root 8, minus into plus, minus root 7, plus will not change the sign, so it will be as it is, that is root 7 plus root 6, again minus will change the sign, that is minus into plus, minus root 6, and minus into plus, minus root 5, plus root 5 plus 2. In the next step, we'll cancel out the same roots with the opposite sign, that is plus and minus. It will cancel out minus root 7 plus root 7 plus root 6 and minus root 6 minus root 5 plus root 5. So only we have plus 2 and plus 3, that is 3 plus 2 equals to 5, hence equals to right hand side. So proved, left hand side equals to right hand side is proved. As in the question it was asked, so that left hand side equals to 5, hence proved. The next question is rationalize the denominator of. So in the denominator we have two signs, one is negative and one is positive. So in this case, what will be the rationalizing factor? For that we have to separate the numbers and take only one sign. So here we are separating root 3 and root 2 and taking the opposite sign minus. So let's solve it. The rationalizing factor will be root 3 minus root 2 and the opposite sign, that is minus 1. In the denominator also, root 3 minus root 2 minus 1. Now by multiplying, we'll get in the numerator root 3 minus root 2 minus 1 into 1 will be root 3 minus root 2 minus 1. And in the denominator, as always, we have a plus b into a minus b. Here a is root 3 minus root 2, so a square minus b is 1, so b square. In the next step, we have to open the bracket, root 3 minus root 2 minus 1, and here again we have a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2 into a, b, and then minus 1. In the next step, we get in the numerator root 3 minus root 2 minus 1, and in the denominator root 3 square, that is 3, plus root 2 square, that is 2, minus 2 into root 6, 2 into root 6, minus 1. Now we get root 3 minus root 2 minus 1. Now we have to add the numbers. 3 plus 2 is 5, minus 1 is 4, minus 2 root 6. Now in the next step, we have to take out the common 2 in the denominator. So numerator will be as it is, root 3 minus root 2 minus 1, and here we are getting 2 as common. So in the bracket 2 minus 2 is gone, root 6. Now again we have root in the denominator, so we have to rationalize it. So we are taking 2 plus root 6 as the rationalizing factor. Now we'll multiply the numerator and denominator by 2 plus root 6. First we'll multiply by 2. 2 into root 3 is 2 root 3 minus 2 into root 2 is 2 root 2 minus 2 into 1 is 2. Now by plus root 6. 6 into 3 is 18, root 18 minus root 6 into root 2, 6 2s are 12 minus root 6 into 1, root 6. And in the denominator again we have a minus b into a plus b multiplied by 2. So 2 will be outside and a square minus b square. In the next step, we have to separate root 18, or we have to break it and take out the numbers outside the root. So here, how we'll take out is find the LCM, that is 2 into 9. 3 3s are 9. Here we got the pair of 3, so 3 will come outside the root and 2 will remain inside the root. So for root 18 we have plus 3 inside the root will be 2, and minus for 12 we have 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. So 2 has a pair, 2 will come outside, 3 will remain inside. So 2 root 3, and at last minus root 6. In the denominator we got 2 will be outside, 2 2s are 4 minus root 6 whole square is 6. Now we have to cancel out the numbers which has the same root. 2 root 3 and 2 root 3 plus and minus cancel out, and 2 root 2 and 3 root 2. 3 minus 2 is 1, so root 2. Again we have the numbers left, minus 2 and minus root 6. Here we got 2 into 4 minus 6 is 2. 6 is bigger, so minus 2. In the next step, we have root 2 minus 2 minus root 6 upon plus into minus, minus 2 2s are 4. Taking minus in the numerator, we'll get minus 1 by 4 into, minus will change the sign, so minus into plus will be minus, it will be plus, and it will be plus. So 2 plus root 6 minus root 2. We are taking minus root 2 at last. Now let's go to question number 13. If root 2 equals to 1.4, root 3 equals to 1.7, find the value of question number 1, 2, and 3. So we have to solve using this value. In question number 1, we have to rationalize the denominator by taking positive sign. So root 3 plus root 2 upon root 3 plus root 2. Now we'll multiply it. Root 3 plus root 2 into 1 will be root 3 plus root 2, and in the denominator we have a minus b into a plus b, that is a square, that is root 3 square minus b square root 2 square. Now we get root 3 plus root 2. In the denominator, square will cancel the root, we'll have 3 minus 2, that is 1. So we get here root 3 plus root 2. Now by putting the value of root 3, that is 1.7, and root 2, that is 1.4, we'll have the final answer, that is root 3 value is 1.7 and root 2 is 1.4. Now we have to add these numbers. 1.7 plus 1.4, we get 7 plus 4 is 11. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 3.1. This is our answer. In the same way, we'll solve the next question, that is question number 2. Here we have to rationalize by taking minus. 3 minus 2 root 2 by 3 minus 2 root 2. Now multiply in the numerator and denominator. We'll have 3 minus 2 root 2 by a minus b into a plus b again, that is a square minus b square. Now in the numerator we get 3 minus 2 root 2, and 3 square is 9 minus 2 square is 4 into root 2 square is 2. Now we get in the numerator 3 minus 2 root 2, and in the denominator it's 9 minus 4 2's are 8, that is 1. So we have 3 minus 2 root 2. So we'll put the value of root 2 here, 3 minus 2 into 1.4 equals to 3 minus, we have to multiply 1.4 by 2, that is 2 4's are 8 and 2 1's are 2, 2.8. 3 minus 2.8. Now we have to subtract 2.8 from 3. 3 means 3.0 and 2.8. We have 10 minus 8 is 2 and 2 minus 2 is 0. So our answer is 0.2. Next question, question number 3, simplify. Here only root 3 is there, so we'll rationalize by root 3 only. Now multiply it. 2 into root 3, 2 root 3 minus root 3 into root 3, that is 2 roots will be cancelled out and we'll have 3. Root 3 into root 3, again 3. So here we have to put the value of root 3 here. 2 into 1.7 minus 3 upon 3. Now multiply 1.7 by 2. 1.7 into 2, that is 2 7's are 14, 2 1's are 2 plus 1 3, 3.4. 3.4 minus 3 by 3. Now we have to subtract 3 by 3.4. 3 means 3.0, so we have 0.4 is 0.4. Here we got 0.4 by 3. This is our answer. Next question, question number 14. Here we have to rationalize both the terms separately. So here we are going to do 4 minus root 5 by 4 plus root 5. Now rationalize it by taking negative sign, that is 4 minus root 5 by 4 minus root 5. In the same way, we'll rationalize the another term, 4 plus root 5 upon 4 minus root 5. Here we are going to take the positive sign to rationalize, that is 4 plus root 5 by 4 plus root 5. So now multiply it, 4 minus root 5 into 4 minus root 5, that is 4 minus root 5 whole square. Here we have a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. In the same way, we'll solve another term, that is 4 plus root 5 whole square and a minus b whole square. So this is your homework. I hope you can do this. And in the next video, we are going to solve exercise 1D. Question number 15 is also the same. Let me do it half for you. The value of x is given here. You have to rationalize it by taking 2 plus root 5 and 2 plus root 5. Here you'll get the value of x. And again, in the same way, you have to rationalize y and find out the final value of y. In this way, you will rationalize by taking negative sign. And then you'll have the value of y also. And then you'll find x square value and y square value. And finally, you'll solve x square plus y square. So, well, that's your homework. And in the next video, I'm going to solve questions from exercise 1D. Till then, stay tuned and keep watching Science Solutions with Karishma. I hope you like this video. If you've liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.